Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you PHI Xero H7400 2TB. It's also available in 1TB on the market. NVMe SSD. Industrial grade, baby. PCI Express 4.0 on generation 4 with up to 7450 megabit per second. An M.2 2280 internal SSD for PlayStation 5, personal computer, gaming laptop, and so on. It's a professional high-speed performance DLC storage. Wow, a solid state drive is a type of a solid-state storage device that uses integrated circuits to store data precisionally. It is sometimes called semiconductor storage device, or a solid-state device, or solid-state disk. All that comes to us in a really fast condition on an M.2, formerly known as the next generation form factor device, specifically for internally mounted computer expansion cards and connectors. It was developed to replace the older Mini SATA, the MSATA, and the Mini PCI Express standards. M.2 supports a variety of module sizes and interface types, offering great deal of flexibility for modern devices. So, if your board can handle M.2, you can dock this solid-state drive into it with PCI Express 4 and NVMe Express or non-volatile memory host controller interface specifications. This is an open logical device interface specification for accessing a computer's non-volatile storage media usually attached via PCI Express bus. The initial NVMe stands for non-volatile memory, which is often an NAND flash memory that comes in several physical form factors, including, as shown here, solid-state drives. Ooh, this is nice. This is a good card, of course. Blazing fast with 7,450 megabit per second read speed, and powered by this PCIe 4 Generation 4 technology. This NVMe SSD delivers lightning fast data transfer, perfect for gaming, 4K video editing, and heavy multitasking. Experience the reduced load times for PlayStation 5 games and seamless app launches. And we have TLC 3D NAND technology with 1200 TBW endurance. Unlike the QLC's 4-layer cells, this TLC flash with a 3-layer cells delivers 3 times higher P/E cycles and 1200 TB total byte written. This is the TBW, ensuring a durability for heavy workloads. Based on Yangtze Memories 232-layer 3D TLC with a X-Stacking 3.0 architecture. It is offered at 2,400 MT per second in I/O speed and smaller than 150 micro latency. The s is a second. This is an s of a second. Outperforming QLC in both speed, 7,450 megabit per second read, and reliability. And universal compatibility. It fits the M.2 2280 slots in PlayStation 5 as shown here. Desktops, laptops, and gaming personal computers. Optimized for the PlayStation 5 storage expansion with support for PCI Express 4.0. This is an X4 interface and an NVMe 1.4 protocol. And we have an enhanced thermal management. The built-in graphene thermal pad and included a copper heatsink ensures a stable performance during the prolonged use, preventing throttling and maintaining constant seats with a lot of speeds. Perfect for high-intensity gaming sessions. because we have a universal compatibility and reliability. It supports PlayStation 5, PCI Express 4 motherboards, and mainstream gaming and desktop systems with an M.2 2280 form factor. Ooh, that's cool. That makes a good job, of course. It matches to my PlayStation. Yeah, easy. We have here a new upgraded SSD, a blazing PCI Express 4.0 speed. That means we have 7,450 megabit per second up to read speed and 6,500 megabit per second up to write speed. The TLC power performance for professional engineered with a junctor memory 233 layer 3D TLC NAND. And this PCI 4 SSD delivers elite speed, durability, and reliability for creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts. We have all what we need. We have an graphene and a pure copper heatsink with an intelligent thermal management to prevent throttling, adaptive thermal control, power efficiency management. We have a large R-cars, copper cooling fast in gold, and heat dissipation silicon pad, and a graphene coating. All this is for creators. 8K rendering up to 60% faster. Player of games. Game loaded around about 45 seconds faster than office workers. Here you can be smarter and faster with that really cool PHIXERO Fixero H7400 to a 1 terabyte capacity NVMe SSD. Industrial grade, baby. PCI Express 4 and up to 7,450 megabyte per second. This is an M.2 2280 internal SSD for the PlayStation 5, personal computer, gaming laptop, professional high-speed performance, and TLC storage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!